Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video. We will continue designing of this personal website from the point where we stopped on our previous video. The difference between these two videos is I changed the color, the primary color and the secondary color, the background color, text color. I use total four different colors combination to make this website more beautiful, and I am not going to use more than four colors. I am going to be stick on the limitations of four color. Now the color how I choose the same idea which I show you before from the CSS gradient picker. I take two different colors and I use them as a radial, not linear, and I will show you the result. This is the CSS code the web provide me, and I copy and paste just the background color in the button. Similarly, we will see some other thing here. The box shadow, even the box shadow, if you google it, you will find different type of box shadow, and this is the box shadow I prefer to use. One out of these three box shadow, because the color is matching with our designed website. There is no problem, you can change the color. Once you copy the code, you can paste in the editor and you can change the color. There is no problem. However, our color is already provided, so that I am going to use one among these three border properties, box shadow properties. Similarly, for the to generate the border, you can search in Google and you can copy the code, and it will be easy for you. Let's start making our website more beautiful. What was the result of our website after changing the color? This is the result. And even for the button, I already placed the box shadow, and I add the transition effect on the button so that it will be smooth movement. Now the next thing, we can do some changes on our menu icons. Suppose here, whenever you hover, you can see only the color is changing, but if you want to design something professionally, you can add many more things only in the menu section. Let's do that. I will return back to the menu section, and for the menu area UL and LI, for the list item, I will I will make this item relative, position relative, position relative. Now I will give some background color as well. Background color, it will be our secondary color. This will be the background color for our menu list, and save it, and let's see the result. What happened once we give the background color, you can see the difference. Now what I will do, I will give the some padding, one rem and one rem from top and bottom, left and right. Now you can see, okay, now the difference is more better. And box border radius 0.5 rem, so that it looks rounded. Okay, now it is okay. Now you can see one problem. The problem is with the width of our menu icon. The width of about section is smaller and the width of experience is bigger. For that, I will assign here width as well. what happen if I give this background color to UL, not to the RLI? Okay, it seems better because the web designing is trying many things, and it will give you the result, better result. Okay, now I gave the position relative for the list. Now whenever I hover it, I need to some difference. .men menu area UL LI SOV hover LI let's say BEFY. Let's use pseudo element before pseudo element, and content blank, there is no content, and the border top border top 5 pixel solid white. Border left 5 pixel solid white. Width 10%, height 5%, and position absolute. Let's see what is the difference. Okay, now you see the border, and I need to give the margin 10 pixel. It is coming inside. I need to send it outside. I'm giving margin in negative. Okay, now it goes outside. It's okay. Width, I need to increase the height also 10%. It should be equal. Okay, good. Now the border radius, don't write 5 pixel, let's write 3 pixel. Okay, now it looks better. And similarly I will do same thing using another pseudo element after, and here instead of border top I will write border bottom, and instead of border left I will write border right, and I will save, and I will see the difference, okay, in the screen. Margin, I gave it minus 10 pixel. Border bottom, border right. Okay, left and right, is it okay? Yes, from left and right it is okay. Top to bottom I have to write not minus 10 pixel. Let's see where it will come. Minus 50 pixel, I believe. It should be minus 10, and the difference is here. Okay, 10%, 10 pixel. margin not 10 pixel, 20 pixel. Okay, minus 10 and plus 10. Okay, now it is okay. ULI padding one ring, it is not enough. Padding top to bottom is enough, but left to right I should give 2 ring. Okay, now it is okay. It is not aligned. Let's change the CSS property, saying from top to bottom. Okay, left 0 0 and top 0. It will give the start point of your. Okay, it is okay. And here as well, instead of margin I will use left 0 and top 0. It overlap left 100% and from the top as well 100%. Save and let's see the result. It overlap each other. Let's give minus 100% and minus 100%. Let's see the result. Still it is not okay. Now I will inspect it and I will see on the live for the hover effect. I am saying for the okay left how much it should be. Top. Okay, good. Okay, now left I need to increase or decrease. If I decrease it will go here. Good. And 72% left and from the top 63%. Let me reduce more. And it is okay for the After Effect. I will go to the code editor and this is the value I suppose to write. Save. Now for the before also I will change the values. Okay, for the before from the top I said 0. No, it is not 0. Okay, 24 and left from the left side I will reduce it. Okay, it is okay. 24 and 10%. Copy. I will copy and paste it for the before the value of left and right. Now our after and before pseudo elements they works properly and it came to the menu area as a design. Now let's change the color of this A to white. Color white. Okay. And for the after and before, whenever we hover to A, not to Li, what will be the changes?